Here we are in the closet. This is the door to the courtyard. And this is our workbench, garage closet right here. This is the door into the house. And these are our water heaters. These are our water heaters. Now, this is Bradford White, so they speak in code. And I'm going to check this when I get home, but the installer is saying that he installed this in November 2016. So it's probably going to have a 2016 date. I'm probably going to, add a year to it. What I'm not seeing, even though the installer bothered to put this up here, but what I'm not noticing, I cannot locate. What I cannot locate is, a building permit for the water heater. I can't locate that. We do know that this closet is properly ventilated. In there. Okay. We got 2 water heaters, and they do not seem to be in tandem. Okay, they're in series. Probably one of them, probably not even in series. Probably one of them serves one half of the house and the other one serves the other half of the house. I'm assuming. Now the water supply lines come into the water heaters. They're supposed to be insulated, and these are not. And over here we see that we have dielectric unions to help prevent corrosion, but it can only go so far. Because like right here we got some pretty good corrosion going on the hot water side of the left water heater. 16, this makes these about 7 years old. Water heaters last about 10. They may last longer. Thankfully they do, some of them, but about 10 years is what we expect. These are 2 40-gallon water heaters, about 7 years old. These are the temperature pressure relief valves. They should be replaced about every 3 years. This probably hasn't been replaced. They probably haven't been replaced. And then this piping coming out of here, this is the drain pipe for the temperature pressure relief valve. It doesn't have to be insulated, although the valve should be insulated and the water supply line should be insulated. But these valves, these drains, are supposed to have an air gap in the same room as the water heater. They're not supposed to have more than 5 bends. I'm counting 1 here, 2 here, goes into the wall, goes down, that's 3. It's going out someplace, that's 4. And then maybe it goes down. If it takes another bend inside the wall, we've got more than 5 bends. It's likely that we have more than 5 bends. This has got 1, 2, 3. Is that right? 1, 2, 3. There you go. But I do not know where they drain to. I cannot find a place where they drain to. I spoke with a neighbor. I said, "Your house looks like this house," because they do. And I said, "Where's your main water shutoff valve?" He said, "It's in the meter." And, I didn't want to talk to him about the difference, what it is and definitions. It just told me that he doesn't know where the water shutoff valve is, the main water shutoff valve to the house. I asked him, I said, "Do you know where your water heaters drain to?" And he said, "Well, they must drain to the alley." I said, "You don't know where they drain?" He says, "I have no idea really where they drain." And the neighbor doesn't know where they drain. Where his drains. I don't know where these drains. I cannot find the discharge port for the water heaters. And then we have our safety pans, which is a good thing. Electronic ignition. Got our safety pans. Got our drip legs for our gas supplies. All good things. Have our care and use manuals. Yes, we do. Alright, we have our safety pans, but our safety pans drain directly to the garage floor. They're supposed to drain to the exterior. So what did we learn? We learned that our safety pans drain to the garage floor. We learned that we do not know where our temperature pressure relief valves drain to. We learned that our temperature pressure relief valve drains drain to. We learned that our temperature pressure relief valve drains do not have an air gap. We learned that our temperature pressure relief valves are not insulated. We learned that our water supply lines connections are not insulated. We learned that we got some corrosion on the hot water delivery side of the left. That would be the north water heater tank.